Holy crap, folks!
Oh my God!
Circulation is on our
Yeah, we need to get out of under what we're in.
Tell them
right
that
now.
there's circulation.
You guys, are you buckled up?
Yes.
The circulation is like coming right over our heads.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-huh.
It's moved out.
You can tell by the screen.
Alright, we're good. Yeah, that's why we're out there.
We just made it.
Yeah.
Hope they're not too far behind. Oh, is that them back there?
I hope so. That. God bless America.
We made it.
Congratulations, all your tornado bushes are no longer versus anymore.
I'm not a person.
We reported it as a large tornado 2 miles to our south. Oh. Computer's all empty.
Alright, what's next?
What's next?
Okay. That was awesome.
I love it.
I didn't know you were gonna react like the movie Twister,
Yeah.
Was it what you thought it would be?
or it was. I can't process it right now.
We can fall off of the road coming up here, dirt road on the right. Just fall off there. It's probably gone now.
Yeah.
Can't even
Never
process.
know.
Flagging you down, truckers, for a reason.
Great job, guys. Great job driving there. That got a little hairy. That was just a few hundred yards off the road.
Man, it's
That
so
was
interesting.
big.
You guys get a picture of that second one?
I like being in band 3.
That funnel?
I don't think.
Say?
I'm not sure I like being in band 3.
Yeah, I was driving along every road service I could find to get
That's
where.
why I jumped out ahead, because
We
it's
gotta-
like,
What town are we near?
What?